We'll explore the early warnings, the more pronounced indicators, and even some surprising symptoms you might never connect to your liver. Our aim is to empower you with knowledge, enabling you to recognize these crucial signs and seek timely medical attention. This isn't just about information, it's about safeguarding your health and potentially extending your life. The liver, a tireless workhorse tucked beneath your right rib cage, performs over 500 vital functions, from detoxifying your blood to producing essential proteins and bile. It's a remarkably resilient organ, capable of regenerating itself to a certain extent. However, this very resilience can be a double-edged sword, often masking damage until it's progressed significantly. The journey of liver damage often begins subtly, with symptoms so vague they're easily brushed aside. One of the earliest and most common complaints is persistent fatigue, a tiredness that doesn't improve with rest. This isn't just feeling a bit sleepy, it's a profound exhaustion that can impact every aspect of your life. Imagine waking up feeling as if you haven't slept at all, even after a full night's rest. This overwhelming lassitude can be one of the first cries for help from a struggling liver. Alongside fatigue, a general feeling of malaise, an inexplicable sense of being unwell, can creep in. You might just feel off, without being able to pinpoint exactly why. This vague discomfort can persist for weeks or even months, often attributed to stress or a busy lifestyle. Yet, it could be your liver signaling that it's struggling to keep up with its metabolic demands. Another crucial, yet often overlooked, early sign is unexplained nausea or loss of appetite. The liver plays a pivotal role in digestion and metabolism. When its function is compromised, you might find yourself feeling nauseous, especially after fatty meals, or simply losing interest in food altogether. This isn't just about disliking certain foods, it's a persistent lack of hunger that can lead to unintentional weight loss. Consider the unexpected weight loss that, while initially welcomed by some, becomes a concerning trend. This isn't the result of a new diet or exercise routine. It's often a consequence of impaired digestion and nutrient absorption due to a compromised liver. As the liver's ability to process nutrients diminishes, the body struggles to maintain its weight, leading to a noticeable and often rapid decline. As liver damage progresses, the symptoms become more pronounced and indicative of significant impairment. Jaundice, the yellowing of the skin and whites of the eyes, is perhaps the most visually striking sign of liver dysfunction. This occurs when bilirubin, a yellow pigment produced during the breakdown of red blood cells, builds up in the blood because the liver cannot process it effectively. It's a clear and undeniable signal that something is seriously amiss. Think of it as your body literally changing color to alert you to an internal crisis. Along with jaundice, dark urine and pale stools can appear. The urine darkens because excess bilirubin is being excreted through the kidneys, while the stools become pale because insufficient bile, produced by the liver, is reaching the intestines to give them their characteristic brown color. This visual contrast can be alarming and should prompt immediate medical attention. Another significant red flag is abdominal swelling, particularly ascites, which is the accumulation of fluid in the abdominal cavity. This happens when the liver's ability to produce albumin, a protein that helps maintain fluid balance, is impaired, and pressure builds up in the blood vessels supplying the liver. The abdomen can become distended and taut, often accompanied by discomfort and a feeling of fullness. Imagine your belly feeling like a balloon, steadily inflating, even without eating. This isn't just weight gain, it's a dangerous fluid buildup that signifies advanced liver issues. Swelling can also extend to the legs and ankles, a condition known as edema, due to the same underlying fluid imbalance. The body's natural drainage system starts to falter, leading to noticeable puffiness. Beyond the visible signs, internal changes manifest as well. Easy bruising and bleeding are common with liver damage. The liver produces clotting factors essential for blood coagulation. When its function is compromised, the body's ability to stop bleeding is impaired, leading to frequent bruising even from minor bumps, nosebleeds, or prolonged bleeding from small cuts. Picture finding unexplained bruises all over your body, or a simple paper cut taking an unusually long time to stop bleeding. This suggests a critical breakdown in your body's protective mechanisms. Similarly, persistent itching, known as pruritus, can be a maddening symptom. This isn't just dry skin, it's an intense, relentless itch that can occur all over the body, often worse at night. It's thought to be caused by the buildup of bile salts under the skin, which the liver is no longer effectively eliminating. Imagine an itch so profound it keeps you awake at night, despite all your efforts to relieve it. Here's where the plot thickens with a twist. Some symptoms of liver damage can be surprisingly neurological. Hepatic encephalopathy, a severe complication of liver disease, occurs when toxins that the liver normally filters out, such as ammonia, build up in the bloodstream and travel to the brain. This can lead to a range of cognitive and behavioral changes. Early signs can include subtle changes in personality, difficulty concentrating, memory problems, and confusion. You might find yourself forgetting simple things, or having trouble performing routine tasks. A loved one might notice you acting differently, or having mood swings. This isn't just forgetfulness, it's a gradual erosion of your mental faculties. As it progresses, symptoms can worsen to include disorientation, slurred speech, tremors, and even coma. Imagine someone you know slowly losing their grip on reality, their personality shifting, all because of an organ failure they might not even realize is occurring. This is a stark reminder that the liver's influence extends far beyond its immediate location. Another often missed sign can be a distinctive breath odor, sometimes described as musty or sweet. This occurs due to the accumulation of certain substances that the liver typically processes, which are then exhaled through the lungs. It's a subtle but telling indicator that the body's internal chemistry is out of balance. Consider a breath that consistently smells unusual, despite good oral hygiene. It's a tiny clue that can point to a much larger problem. Furthermore, spider angiomas, which are small, spider-like blood vessels visible just beneath the skin, particularly on the chest, face, and arms, can be a sign of chronic liver disease. These are caused by an increase in estrogen levels, which the damaged liver struggles to metabolize. Seeing these small, branching red marks can be a visual cue that your liver is under duress. The signs can also extend to more general, systemic issues that might seem unrelated at first glance. For instance, a persistent fever, not attributable to an infection, can sometimes be a sign of liver inflammation or infection within the liver itself. Or consider the development of gynecomastia, or breast enlargement, in men. This is due to the liver's inability to properly metabolize hormones, leading to an imbalance. It's an unexpected physical change that points to an internal hormonal disruption caused by liver dysfunction. Even seemingly minor changes, like changes in sleep patterns, can be linked to liver health. The liver plays a role in regulating our circadian rhythms, and its impairment can lead to insomnia or disrupted sleep cycles. If any of these signs resonate with your own experience or that of a loved one, do not hesitate. Seek medical attention immediately. Early detection and intervention are paramount in managing liver damage and preventing its progression to more severe stages. A healthcare professional can perform blood tests, imaging studies, and potentially a biopsy to accurately diagnose the problem and recommend appropriate treatment. Your liver is a silent hero, tirelessly working to keep you healthy. Don't let its quiet dedication mask its cries for help. Listen to your body, understand its signals, and empower yourself with knowledge. Your health is your greatest wealth, and protecting your liver is a vital investment in your future well-being.